Hello everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel Healthy Bites. Today in this video, I have very excellent and fabulous cooking method on smoked recipes. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it. And in every video, I'm going to do a request to please watch the video till the end. So it's again request, please watch the video till the end and subscribe my channel. Dear viewers, smoked cooking is a time-honored culinary technique that infuses food with a distinct smoky flavor, resulting in delectable dishes that are both savory and aromatic. The process involves wood chips, allowing a flavor to penetrate and enhance the taste. From meats to cheese and even vegetables, smoke cooking offers a wide range of options to tantalize the taste buds. Smoked barbecue is a beloved classic that includes various meats like ribs, brisket, and pulled legs to create a mouth-watering smoked barbecue. Choose your favorite cut of meat, season it with a flavorful rub, and then let it smoke for hours in a smoker or grill with a smoking box. The slow and low cooking process tenderizes the meat with infusing it with a deep smoky taste. Top it with your favorite barbecue sauce for a true smoky delight. For seafood lovers, smoked salmon is a luxurious treat. Preparing smoked salmon involves securing the fish with salt and sugar and then smoking it over wood chips. The result is delicate yet richly flavored, which fish that can be enjoyed on its own as part of salad or on bagels with cream cheese. Smoking cheeses like cheddar, Gouda, or mozzarella imparts a unique twist to the creamy goodness. The process adds delightful smokiness to the cheese and added flavor, perfect for charcuterie boards or adding depth to various dishes. Smoking vegetables are an excellent option for vegetarian or plant-based diets. Okay, dear viewers, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.